So one of the things that you can do inside of Jotform is add in a field with keypad as well. So to do that, you can simply click on add element, and then you can go to widgets right here. Then what you can do is type in keypad right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and type in keypad. Then you get the keypad widget, as you can see right here. If I were to go ahead and click, and then what happens is that I get a prompt text. So I can go ahead and say, use the keys on screen to type. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and add in keypad only and randomize the keys as you want as well. So this is for security, and you can choose like only alphabetic or numeric or full as you want right here. So let me just go ahead and select full and click on update. And if I were to go ahead and preview out the form now, then what happens is that I have this, and then you can see that you got set of random keys right here, just like this, that you can go ahead and use to type. You can even click on shift to make it capitalize and so forth. So usually this is for security concerns where users might be safe from keyloggers. So this is what you can do. So let me just go ahead and go back, and over here, let's just go to the widget setting right here, randomize, let's say false, and I'm going to say this numeric, and let's see what we have now in that case. So in that case, if I were to click, you just got the numeric keys right here, not in a random order, but in a serial order, as you can see right here. Similar goes for, let's say, for example, full and alphabetic as well. So if I were to go around over here and then preview right here and then click, you can see that now I got the QWERTY format right here, just like this. And similarly, you can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, go for alphabetic format only as well. And then just go and say, let's say, remove the keypad only right here. And that allows you to work around with the keys, or you can go ahead right here just like this. So keypad only right here is there. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the keypad widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe